Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to PJ Chemistry channel. Today we are going to discuss the position of fundamental particles in an atom as well as about shells. Yes, if you observe here, there are three fundamental particles. Previous video we discussed about electron, proton, neutron. So, where the position of electrons and protons and neutrons that we are going to discuss today as well as shell. Protons and neutrons present inside the nucleus. Protons and neutrons located inside the nucleus. What is nucleus? Positive center of an atom. So if you take an atom, the exact positive, the particular center point which is there, that is we call nucleus. Total mass of that atom depends upon nucleus. Inside the nucleus, which particles are present means protons and neutrons. What about electrons? Electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path. That is we call shell or orbit. Now, this shell or orbit, if you observe, there are n number of shells. Okay, for our convenience, we are taking only 4 shells. Electron revolving around the nucleus in a circular path are called shell or orbit. Now, like this 4 shells, we represented with the letter. First shell is K shell, second shell is L shell, third shell is M shell, fourth shell is N shell. These shells are also having names. Among these 4, the last shell is N shell, fourth shell. So, the last shell in an atom are called ultimate shell or valence shell or outermost shell, that represented by N. Next, just before the ultimate shell, we call as a penultimate shell. It is represented by n minus 1. So, just before the ultimate shell, we call penultimate shell. Next, just before the penultimate shell, we used to call anti-penultimate shell. That is, we are considering as a n minus 2. Okay, these are the information. Now, see here, protons and neutrons, where it present inside the nucleus. Electrons revolving around the nucleus in a circular path are called shell or orbit. Now, this representation already we discussed. With the letter means KLMN, with the number means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are only